Bakit mo naman na-establish yung ganitong klase ng business?
Actually, pinag-pray ko talaga na mostly nung time na 2023, I hit another rock bottom. Parang, alam mo yun, you're earning so much.
Yes.
Tapos nawala ka sa insurance industry, merong nangyari na parang na-issue ako na parang hindi naman valid. So inayos yun ng lawyer ko. Tapos dun ko na nag-pray ako na, Lord, ano ba talaga ano yung meron ako na kailangan ko umpisahan? Then He reminded me, you have an academy wherein you're making a difference. So why not, kung ano yung mga natutunan mo over the years, i-apply mo. I wanted to establish another business na kung saan makakatulong pa ako sa maraming business owners or makaka-connect pa ako. Which is, I launched Clarity Integrated Solutions last year. And then yun yung focus namin to help people in terms of paano mas ma-marketing business sila, brand awareness, and also yung lead generation. And doon, mas nag-boom kami na mas marami kami natutulungan at mas marami kami nakaka-connect ng mga business owners. Then doon ko, once I connected with them in terms of business, doon ko na-share yung transformation. Doon ko na-share si God.
Yes.
Na He has the power to change people. Kasi I always believe, if you will change, everything changes.
Yes.
So doon na nag-start lahat.
And actually, ang ganda lang ng service na ino-offer nyo, na lagi natin kasama si God in every decision na ginagawa natin and every challenges na kinakaharap natin. So, always lang na humingi ng guidance, ng wisdom kay God. Kasi, yun nga, yung mga challenges na yan, hindi naman ibibigay ni God if hindi natin kayang i-resolve. Hindi tayo bibigyan ng magandang breakthroughs if hindi natin etong binigay niyang challenges sa atin is hindi natin kaya. Kasi dun lalabas yung faith natin sa Kanya.
Yes.
Diba? So, kung andun yung faith natin, everything will follow.